gentlemen, start your engines. Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.
Hi, my name's Ken Lambert, and we're over here at the show in Yorkville, Illinois, and this is our 1957 Chevy Convertible. Just purchased it last year, has been restored. It's an old restoration that was freshened in 2017. It's all stock. It's got the 283 4-barrel with the power pack. It's original color. It's been repainted, but it's repainted the original color. 2-speed power glide, Continental kit. Doesn't have a lot of accessories, but it runs good, looks good. I've had it about 6 months. So this is our first show that we've had it to, and it's drawing a lot of attention, as it rightfully should, I imagine. And got the old bias ply tires and the spinner caps and the fender skirts and the dual antennas in the back with the Continental kit. So it's your very typical 50s vintage car. Like I say, it's all stock running gear. There's no new engine, or didn't change a thing that way. And that's kind of the highlights of the car. Like I say, we've just starting to enjoy it, and so I hope you enjoy these videos, and thanks for taking these.
How's the car to drive?
Says it drives good. It needs a little bit of little play in the steering. We got to tighten up this gearbox,
sure.
But other than that, it works good.
There you go. And what made you decide to get this? Because I know you have other cars.
We wanted a convertible that had a power top, because if you're in the rain, it takes no time to put it up. The Thunderbird, the 57, that takes 2 men and a boy to get the top up. By that time, it's too late. So that was our main reason to get one with a power top on it. And the day I got this, I wasn't looking, but there it was.
And these hubcaps, everything's in great condition.
Yes, it's all rust-proofed underneath, and so it's like I say, it was done, and it's an older restoration and was freshened in 2017.
Live from U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.